So this is a quick overview of the enacfire E19s, I do believe. And these are true wireless earbuds. And I just wanted to make clear that this is a kind of initial impressions, not really like a comprehensive review, because I've only had these for like a day. But I haven't done any like really long-term testing. But so far, guess I should just kind of do an overview of what comes in the box and just the earbuds in the case. So you get these ear tips, there's quite a few of them actually, so that's nice, I guess. Not exactly the best quality, but I should mention these are $35, somewhere in there on Amazon. You have the case here, it says enacfire. It's very cheap, plastic, but it's fine. It's pretty small, fits in a pocket easy enough. My biggest complaint about it is this hinge. This hinge is extremely flimsy, and it feels like it's gonna break. That's gonna be definitely the first thing to break. You got some LED lights right here to let you know how much charge the case has, and you have a micro USB port back here. No USB-C, but for some reason a lot of these wireless earbuds don't have USB-C. So obviously you open it up. This has a slight, it's a very weak magnet, but it does have a magnet right here. Then you have the earbuds, of course, in the case, and they charge via these just little metal contacts. And I have different ear tips than what came with the headphones, because I found that these worked better. But honestly, these weren't that uncomfortable. I just wanted to take the ear tips off of a $12 pair of earbuds that I had that just worked better for me. So the biggest thing that surprised me about these is just how easy and quick they pair. I literally took it out of this is the right here, this is the main earbud. This is the one that connects to your phone. And then, so you put this one, this is like the main, you put this one in your ear, it connects to this one, the left one, and it connects to your phone, obviously. And it does that all very, very fast, which I was surprised about. That's definitely one thing that has improved upon in the last couple, I don't know, years. I haven't had any signal quality or disconnection issues. This is, I think, technically it has Bluetooth 5.0, but there is still latency that is it's worthwhile mentioning. It's slight, it's not as not as bad, I should say, as Bluetooth 4.0, but it's still there. It didn't bother me as much, but it was still there. That was the magnets. So on the actual earbuds here, we have lights that thankfully aren't on when they're connected and in your ear. It's only blinking like that because it's searching for something to pair with. You can press either earbud to pause play and skip tracks. I don't think you can like triple click to go to a previous track, but that's a minor detail. Battery life has been fine. I'm assuming, this should give you 4 or 5 charges, and they probably last about like 2 hours. Usually what's advertised on the box is pretty true for these earbuds. That's really all there is to say about these. They fit in my ears well enough. I obviously don't know about yours, so yeah. so I obviously can't say for your ears, but they should fit in most ears fine. They're pretty comfortable even with these stock ear tips, but they're not the most comfortable thing ever, obviously. They do kind of look dumb. I mean, I have failed to find a pair of like these true wireless earbuds that don't look dumb. They all look dumb. Everyone from, the AirPods to these, they're all gonna look kind of stupid in your ears. But it's fine. It's a minor detail. As long as you're comfortable, it should be fine. And I should probably get something for size. For like a quick little. I'll be back. So I got a penny. It's very similar size to that. They are thick though. That's the biggest thing. They are pretty thick earbuds, obviously, to house the battery. Tape dispenser, penny, and pencil, just normal pencil. That's one of the things with these wireless earbuds. When looking on the Amazon pages, I find it very difficult to actually tell how big they are. So thought I'd just do that really quick. Overall, these are pretty good. $33. Bluetooth is finally getting there. I feel like back in 2016, when Apple did remove the headphone jack from their flagship phone at the time, the iPhone 7, it wasn't all there. I felt like it definitely wasn't. It wasn't ready yet. It wasn't good enough for it to be the future. And I still think it has a ways to go. These are still quite large, and these are still more expensive. And I think I have a pair of $12 Panasonic earbuds that sound better than these. That's probably something I should have mentioned. I don't know how I missed that one. Sound is fine. It's normal. It's a little bit too much bass for my taste, but to most people, to basically everyone else buying a $33 pair of Bluetooth earbuds, they will sound completely fine. So yeah, like I said, I would recommend these. If you don't like them, you can just return them. Amazon has a great return policy. I'll try to remember to leave a link in the video description. I doubt I will even post this video, because I just don't post anymore. But yeah, thanks for watching.